Brian here, Spontaneous Creations again. What I got is another 3D printed toy. This is a cup. This has 4 chambers in it. I do not know how much this holds. I don't know why I didn't measure that just now, but okay, let's stop. Just went and measured it. 12 ounces. Right at 12 ounces is what that holds. I'm not going to put that much in it. I'm going to try and not fill these chambers up quite that much. What I'm using tonight, did I say it was an 18 by 18 inch canvas? Lemon Lime Shimmer, Beach Retreat Shimmer, Silver Lake Metallic, and Brian's Annoying Green. These are Parage Posse paints made by Christina Welsh. If you're interested in these paints, visit the Parage Posse Facebook group or Christina Welsh Art on YouTube. You'll find all the information you need about those paints. And let's see. I'm going to go with the lemon lime in there. I can't see it. Sorry. See, that's about 2.5 ounces, give or take. I'm going to go with the Silver Lake Metallic. And then Brian's Annoying Green. Not sure how these are going to work together, but we're going to see. And then the Beach Retreat Shimmer. I have low battery. This is not good to have low battery. I haven't poured any paint though, so I'm going to stop, charge everything, and be back since I haven't poured anything yet. Alright, I'm back. Got everything charged up, ready to go again. Guess it's only been a second for you, so I don't have to explain anything now. I'm going to attempt to do is a ring pour. I'm not going to put a base coat down, but I'm going to put a base puddle down, I guess is what I'm going to do. So there's that. I'm just going to pour a puddle in the middle here. Some white. It's a little bit thicker. And then I'm going to ring pour this. Let's see how this goes. Not very good at the ring pours, but I'm going to do what I can do. What I never get right is the finish. all this paint on there, make sure I got enough paint. I don't know if I got enough paint for this, but we will see what happens. See, I always get that squiggle in there every time. Oh well, it is what it is. Maybe I should wreck this. I think I should put some more white around the outside here. Well, it wasn't much of anything. Give that a minute to that white to move in. Throw some heat on it. I know I put silicone in these paints, so okay, I'm gonna wreck it. One more. Well, I do believe I don't have enough paint, really. What happens here with this corner? Not wanting to go without losing a whole bunch of paint there, huh? You guys see what I've been doing. Gotta get there sooner or later, huh? Pull back. Sorry if I've screwed up the tilting and video of this one. Well, it's definitely a Brian ring pour. White dots. White dots. And I didn't put down a base coat. That's just the white ring that I put around there. Look, I made military green. Ain't that cool? Alright. Gotta wash my toy. Well, I don't like the color combination on that one. Is what it is. It's not terrible looking. Might be kind of cool to some people. It's green, but it's not the right greens, huh? Okay, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell if you want to see other ones that I come up with. I got a few more 3D printed toys that I'm going to be selling, that I am selling. This is the first cup that I poured with in this series of videos. I think I did another painting with this same cup. I do a lot of paintings. I don't know what I did before sometimes. Anyway, cleaned up fairly well. I can scrub on a little bit more and it'll be fine. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Have a good night.